Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Google Form into a QR code. As you can see here, I have created. Now, by the end of this video, you will be able to generate a QR code and print it, scan it, and collect responses like a pro. To create, first of all, you have to create a form, or you can link or you can create QR code of anything. So I've been using Google Form. So what I will do is just simply add title as fast I can. So I have created a simple Google form and check response, check settings, and yes, that all is good. Now click on the publish. Now click on the publish and create a link out of that. For example, just simply click on that and copy responder link and just click shorten URL, and it will make link shorter, and copy that and head over to Canva. And so I'm in this tutorial, I'm using Canva. You can use QR code generator as well, click on the first link. So, and now here you have to enter your website or text or drop a file. Just simply enter that and it will analyze it and it will create a QR code and just download it. And you have to sign up, but if you use Canva, then click on the create design. First sign up and then click on the create design, make Instagram post, and then head over to the canvas. Now give a second to load it, and in the bottom of the left you will get to see this app section. Search the QR. So it's taking time, and the second option you have to choose is just simply click on that and click on the open. So it will open on the canvas as well, I think, and you have to paste that link into this section. Now after the opening the QR code, just something like appear in front of you, and in the URL section you have to paste the link and generate a code. So it will take a second to generate because my internet is slow. So as you can see, he generated a QR code. Just resize it, and you can add text as well. Pay here or scan here. So just, and you can add the link and click on the download button and click on the download. Now just download the QR code, select the PNG, save download. I don't know why. Here we go. Click on the download and let's taste it. Scanner. Just save this QR code, your downloads or something. Give the name, save it, QR code scanner, and just scan your QR code into this website. Okay, I have to use my camera, I think. Just upload your image. I was trying to find this one, and here we go. Okay, I have to select upload image, select the QR code and open it. So it will scan the QR code. As you can see, there is a link. After scanning, click on that and it will redirect to your Google form. So type give the section and submit. So I have to enter the email address. So yeah, that's a basic. And if you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.